self-care tips to follow for healthy feet. Hello friends! Before you start watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. When it comes to our body, we tend to neglect our feet the most. Just like your face and hair, your feet also need some TLC. If you notice that your feet are dry and cracked persistently, here are a few tricks you must follow to keep your feet healthy and soft. Number 1. Keeping yourself hydrated will always reflect on your skin. And that's why you must drink lots of water during the day. Number 2. To keep your feet healthy, you must clean them every time you've been outside. Number 3. Make sure you exfoliate your feet once a week. You can use a foot scrubber to scrub the dead skin. You can also rub a pumice stone, which will help to get rid of the dead skin. Number 4. If you notice that your skin gets dry more than usual, you can apply a cream every time you clean your feet. Number 5. As a bedtime hack, apply a cream or petroleum jelly to your feet and wear socks overnight. This will let your feet absorb the moisture and heal the feet faster. Number 6. You should also choose the right shoes for healthy feet. Avoid tight shoes, high heels if your feet hurt more than often. Try and follow tips for healthy feet and share your results with us in the comments section. And if you liked our videos, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.